Hey guys, so I'm going to attempt to start an OOTD series. 5 days a week I work, and when I work I just wear scrubs and some black pants. So I may actually incorporate some work outfits when I do wear a nice top or something like that, but for the most part I'll just compile my weekend looks, and whenever I have enough looks I'm probably just going to compile them and show you guys. So today is Sunday. I just finished filming an unboxing video. I actually unboxed this beauty here, this little number. Anyway, so now I'm just gonna head out to grab some dinner, and I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing. I'm totally obsessed with this Zimmermann dress at the moment. It is called the Lelia Flutter dress, and I absolutely love these little embroidery details and that little bit that's see-through, and the v-neck is just really flattering on. I've just got my rose jewelry bar necklace and rose jewelry bar bracelet and my Hermes click-clack that I normally wear. It's not the H style, but I absolutely love this lock style because it is understated. And yeah, if any of you guys are interested in this dress, I just think it is the best investment dress ever. And then I've just got my Reissue bag that I just unboxed. I'm absolutely in love with this color. And then just on my feet I've just got my trusty Chanel mules. So that is the look actually. And then the earrings, I always wear these earrings, and they're just the Dior original pearl tribal earrings, and they just go with everything because it's just pearls. I can just put them on with anything, gold, silver, doesn't matter. So I find it really easy to just go with pearls all the time. And yeah, that is my look for the day. Hey guys, so I'm back with another OOTD. It is Saturday the 22nd of December, and it was my last day at work, and I'm so excited to have about 10 days off. So I'll be able to film some more content and focus on my channel a little bit more because I'll have some more time. So I'm heading out to a casual dinner with some friends from uni, and I'm just wearing my favorite jersey dress. So this is from Kookai. I absolutely love all of their casual dresses because they dress up so easily. So if we do decide to go out after dinner, then you know it'll just be pretty appropriate for any dressy occasion as well. And this ruching is just amazing because if you've had a little bit too much to eat, then you know the ruching really helps to hide your food, baby, the belly. Yeah, so I've got this in two different colors. I've got this one and the khaki one, which I'll show you at some point. I've got my brand new Chanel Reissue bag that I've been really loving, and on my feet I've got my favorite Hermes sandals. So again, these are the wedge heels that are featured in my favorite shoes video, and they're really comfortable, but they do give me a little bit of height. So they're 8 centimeters tall, I think. Yes, so that is the outfit of this Saturday. Hey guys, so it is Christmas Eve today, and I am heading out to just grab a couple of things before all the shops close tomorrow for Christmas Day. And this is my outfit of the day. So it finally got a little bit warm here in Sydney. We're meant to be in summer, but we have been getting storms and all this cold weather, so I'm really excited to be able to wear something a bit more summery. So I am wearing my favorite item of this summer, which is this Balmain tank tee. I do also own this one in the black, and I really love that one, and I got that one first. With the white one, I hesitated for the longest time because I was thinking, do I really need two in exactly the same thing when it comes to clothes? So I was hesitating. So for my birthday this year, my bestie Saha from the vlog kindly gifted this to me for my birthday. So thank you so much, sweetie, if you're watching, and I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it. I just love all of these details, and for a designer t-shirt, they're not a horrible price point, and I love that I have two color options now. So that's the top I'm wearing today, and I paired it up with this denim skirt. So it's the dark gray denim skirt with the frayed hem. I love the frayed hem. It is from Glassons. I'll try and find it, but it is a little bit old. If I can't find it, I'll link a similar one down below. And of course, I'm wearing my current favorite casual bag, which is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. I got a lot of wear out of it already. And on my feet, I am wearing my brand new Chanel slingbacks in the beige and black combination, which is the classic combination. I believe that my unboxing video for these shoes have gone live by now, leather, and I absolutely love how comfortable they are. So that is the overall look for the day. Oh, one more thing, I do always carry around my Balmain inspired jacket with me whenever I wear these Balmain t-shirt. This one's a very budget friendly one from Linus. I do get a lot of questions about this whenever I put it up on Instagram, so I'm going to quickly put it on and show you guys. Okay, so here it is. It is from Linus, like I said before. It retails for 79 Australian dollars, and for the price I feel like this is such a good Balmain look. So I probably will end up splurging on a proper Balmain jacket because I have tried it on, and yeah, you can't deny the fact that it fits so much better than these dupes. But for the time being, I love this combination and it just instantly elevates the whole look. And this jacket has been serving me really well, and I know it will continue to serve me well until I do decide to splurge on an actual Balmain jacket. So that I always carry around with me because I feel like in the evening it will start cooling down again. So that is the look with my jacket on. Hey guys, so it is Boxing Day today, which is the day after Christmas. Here in Australia, we do have really big sales at the shops on Boxing Day. So I'm about to head out to check out what's on offer. So I thought I'd just share with you what I'm wearing to the shops. So I'm wearing this black logo t-shirt. It's a crop length one from Age. It's spelled AJE. I think it's an Australian designer, and apparently that's how you say it. I don't know for sure. But anyway, so I'm wearing this Age tee. It is black with this white logo of just their branding. I absolutely love how it is the crop length because for the most part, I do enjoy wearing high-waisted skirts and jeans, so the more cropped t-shirts just sit really well with those high-waisted jeans. Also makes your legs look a little bit longer because you do have a little bit more length on the bottom. And I absolutely also love the details on this top. So the logo is made up of all these little beads, so the white beads, and it's really actually quite beautiful. So yeah, I am really loving this t-shirt, and by now you probably know how much I love t-shirts. They're just so easy to throw on, and you can always layer them really easily as well. I never know when I may need a jacket. And I've paired this tee with this cute white denim skirt, again with the distressed frayed hem, and I really love the distressed look on my denim. And I think it's really cute that the white really complements the white logo on my tee. So yeah, I thought they just looked really cute together. I'm also carrying my Gucci Marmont mini camera bag today because this off-white color is just so good all year round, but especially in the warmer months. It just is so easy to pair with all my summer outfits, but it also makes for a really great winter white bag. So that's what I'm carrying today. And on my feet, I am wearing my trusty Oran sandals from Hermes. I absolutely love these sandals in the summertime. I get so much wear out of them that I ended up buying 3 pairs. So I've got these black ones, and also I've got a tan pair and a white pair, as you may know if you have been following my channel for a little while. So yeah, these sandals are just a must summer item. So if you guys have been sitting on the fence about them, I definitely recommend them. I could not be happier with them. So that is my outfit of the day. Hey guys, so it is first week back at work now, and I've just finished up at work and I'm just heading out for a couple of drinks. So I just wanted to share my outfit of the evening. So the weather has been completely temperamental here in Sydney. It is meant to be summer, but it gets quite cold in the evening. So this is what I'm wearing. So I've just got a tank top underneath and a black blazer just from Zara. It's one of those Zara basic lines that they keep repeating. And I've got my favorite snake skin print pants. I absolutely love them. Hang on, I'm just gonna take the jacket off so I can show you the pants properly. Okay, so I've just taken the blazer off. So these are my favorite snake print pants from Supre. They're part of the Cotton On group. I absolutely love these. They're just so chic to be wearing during the day and into the evening as well. And I've just paired it with my Gucci belt that's got the pearl embellishments. I've got this belt in a size smaller than my other belt. So this is a size 70 because with the pearl embellished version, I thought I'd probably wear it a little bit more dressy over dresses as a high-waisted belt. So for anyone looking for size reference, that is what I went for. And on my feet, I've got my Valentino Rockstud pumps without the straps. I really like these ones without the straps because they're just more chic and They're more the classic pump styles, so I feel like they're just a little bit more classic looking, and especially when you're wearing patterns in your outfit and you want to go something a little bit more subtle on your feet, you can of course go for some simple pumps, but I do love these rock stud pumps for a little bit of added detail, but they still let the pants do the talking and they're still quite subtle in my opinion. So I really recommend these pumps. And for my bag today, I went for something simple. So this is my Givenchy Antigona handbag in the small size, and this is a smooth calf leather, so it's that shiny leather. A lot of people worry that this bag doesn't wear well because of how smooth it is, and a lot of people worry that it is going to be really scratch prone. I've had this bag for about 4 years, maybe going on to 5 even, and look how good this bag still looks. If any of you guys out there are considering this bag and are worried that this is gonna scratch up really easily, I'd say don't worry about it, because I don't baby my bags and this bag is still in perfect condition. So that is my overall look of the day, and yeah. So I think this might be the last outfit that I'm going to share in this video. I believe I have a few outfit video clips that I can compile now, so I want to share them before they get too old. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, because I'd love to do more outfit of the day videos, and I find it quite fun to do. Before I head out, I take a few minutes to just show you what I'm wearing. So let me know if you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd be more than happy to do more videos like this in between my sit down videos and reviews and all the normal stuff that I do. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done that. Thank you so much for watching this video and letting me share my outfits, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys!
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. You see that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true?